Whatever. Okay, let's see if we can get this cooking or not. Remove. Get up out of here. Load. Unpack. Wah, wah, wah. Wah, wah, wah. Color's just a color, bro. I agree. I agree. I agree. I agree. I don't care if you're green. I'm still gonna cook you. Indicators. Let's go to the QQE mod. Okay. Let's open it up here. Convert that bitch. Don't have the API key though. So that's awkward. Da da da. Copy. I better chug this coffee. I got a cutoff here today. I got a noon cutoff. I got a noon cutoff in this one. It's noon. Fuck, I can't drink this. No, I'm gonna drink it. I'm gonna drink it, but I gotta drink it fast. But I can't drink it too fast because it's coffee and it's hot. So, you know, trials and tribulations of being mooned out. Convert to Python. Converting with AI. 1 second elapsed. 2 seconds. 3 seconds. 4 seconds. Five seconds. 6 seconds. Oh shit! I got a video premiering as we speak, so I gotta go. Much love to you. Have a great day, Kelly. Have a great day. Anybody else here? Still 777. Thank you for coming through. I've got a video premiering right now. So let's go watch that instead. Peace, man. 777. It was all a dream. I'm Moondev. I build trading bots chasing these same ads. Jim Simons ran up a net worth of $31 billion with, I believe, codes the great equalizer, though. And these people figured that out. They're real people, real profits, hundreds of them. I'm not asking you to trust me, I'm asking you to trust them. Moondev.com/Discord. Message anyone, ask them yourself, and maybe make a friend.